Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Civil Service Notes. Today we are going to dive into the fascinating world of the Indian Constitution and specifically Article 1. Now this might sound a little complex, but don't worry. I have got you covered. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution lays down the foundation of our great nation. It deals with the name and the territory of India. So let's break it down for you. First thing first, India's official name is the Republic of India. Pretty cool, right? But Article 1 goes beyond just the name. It defines the territory of our country. India consists of states and union territory. We have 28 states and 8 union territory currently. But wait, there's some more. Article 1 also mentions that any new territories can be added to India through various means like acquisitions or merger. एक्वेशन मीन्स के वो दूसरी कंट्री इंडिया में आ सकती हैं और मर्जर मीन्स दिस अलाउस आवर कंट्री टू ग्रो एंड एक्सपेंड इफ नीडेड. Now let's talk about why this article is so important. It sets the stage for all the other articles that follow in our constitution. It stabilizes the unity and integrity of our diverse nation. It ensures that all the citizens are equal and that no discrimination based on territory is allowed. Article 1 also plays a crucial role in maintaining our federal structure. It outlines the power distribution between the center and the state government. This helps in maintaining a balance and harmony within our democratic system. So, there you have it. Article 1 of the Indian Constitution is all about defining of our nation's name, territory, and ensuring unity among its diverse people. It sets the stage for all the other articles and helps maintain a strong federal structure of India. I hope you found this video informative and easy to understand. If you did, give it give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Let me know in this comment if there are any other topics you like me to cover. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning. Thank you.